Pyknosis, Karyorrhexis, and Karyolysis. When cells undergo death, they show a lot of different morphologic abnormalities. Pyknosis, Karyorrhexis, and Karyolysis are stages of nuclear change during cell death, either apoptosis or necrosis. In essence, a cell goes through these stages as it transitions from a state of being to complete disintegration. Stages of nuclear change during cell death. There are 3 stages of nuclear change during cell death. Pyknosis is stage of initial condensation and shrinkage of the nucleus. Karyorrhexis follows, characterized by fragmentation of the nucleus. Finally, karyolysis is the stage of complete dissolution of the nucleus. Let's discuss them in details. Number 1. Pyknosis. This is the first stage, characterized by the irreversible condensation and shrinkage of the cell nucleus. The chromatin within the nucleus becomes densely packed and intensely basophilic. It's an irreversible process that can be seen in both apoptosis and necrosis. Number 2. Karyorrhexis. Following pyknosis, the nucleus undergoes fragmentation. The nuclear membrane breaks down, and the condensed chromatin is dispersed into the cytoplasm as small, irregular fragments. These fragments, often referred to as a nuclear dust, are scattered throughout the cytoplasm. Number 3. Karyolysis. This is the final stage, where the fragmented chromatin is completely dissolved and degraded. Enzymes, specifically endonuclease, break down the DNA, leading to a loss of nuclear staining and the disappearance of the nucleus. The nucleus eventually disappears completely. In summary, pyknosis is the initial condensation. Karyorrhexis is the fragmentation. And karyolysis is the dissolution of the nucleus. Do pyknosis, karyorrhexis, and karyolysis occur in both necrosis and apoptosis? Pyknosis and karyorrhexis occur in both necrosis and apoptosis, while karyolysis is primarily associated with only necrosis. Let's see the key differences between necrosis and apoptosis. In apoptosis, pyknosis and karyorrhexis are part of a programmed cell death process, and the nuclear fragments are often engulfed by nearby cells, called phagocytosis. There is no karyolysis, which would cause inflammation. Therefore, the sequence of nuclear changes in apoptosis involves pyknosis, followed by karyorrhexis, culminating in the formation of apoptotic bodies. In necrosis, all 3 nuclear changes, pyknosis, karyorrhexis, and karyolysis, can occur. In essence, necrosis involves the cell undergoing these nuclear changes as it deteriorates and dies.